Hi and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly unload a semi-automatic pistol, modern semi-automatic pistol, like the 6-hour M17 that we're having today. But again, this will apply on the Glock and other guns out there. So I'm going to show you how to safely unload the gun, how to check to make sure that the gun is unloaded, and I will show you how to implement the DVM fail-safe technique when unloading a semi-automatic pistol or a semi-automatic platform. This is a technique that I have been pushing through classes over the many years I've been doing this. Sort of a fail-safe would obviously save you from an accident. So this gun has been loaded with dummy rounds. Those are fake rounds of ammunition. I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about those rounds at the end of the video, so stick around until the end. But I'm going to show you a little bit how to go about it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we grab the pistol and we want to remove the magazine first. So the magazine removal goes first. You're going to have that little button on the side. Press on the button. Magazine comes out. Always remove your magazine first. Then you're gonna keep that gun pointing in safe direction, your index finger above and clear from that trigger. Gun pointing in safe direction. You're gonna grab hold to the slide. You're gonna pull it straight back. This will manually extract and eject the cartridge you may have in the chamber. After doing so, you want to pull back on the action and make sure that you do have a clear or empty chamber. You want to visually inspect it. If you cannot, you can stick your finger in there and feel it. Obviously, be careful when you do that, but you want to make sure that you have an empty chamber. So that's how you unload a semi-automatic pistol. Now, implementing the fail-safe, that DVM technique, consists in, once you believe that you did a great job at unloading that gun, once the gun is unloaded to the best of your knowledge, is to fully rack the action 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. And that's going to be 1 for you, 1 for the others, 1 for the big guy. And this is a fail-safe technique. So many people end up shooting themselves by accident while cleaning their loaded guns because they did not properly unload their pistol. And here I'm going to show you what happened so many times. You have a lot of people would grab the semi-automatic pistol, get distracted, pick that gun up, clear the chamber first, remove the magazine, and now, since they've seen that cartridge coming out, they're under the impression that the gun is unloaded, when in fact, it's not. So what happened? Well, the sequence were followed in the wrong order. The person cleared the chamber before removing the magazine. That resulted in a visual extraction and ejection of a cartridge, but unfortunately, reloading the gun right after that. Right? So here comes the DVM fail-safe, rack it 3 times. When you believe that you did a good job, if you're distracted, whatever, keep the gun pointing safe direction, rack it 3 times. And now you have seen, let's see if I can get it, you have seen that cartridge coming out. So it is a fail-safe. And to review the sequence, magazine comes out first, clear the chamber, inspect it, and rack it fully 3 times, just to make sure. Never too much. Now, talking to you a little bit about those dummy rounds, great little rounds for practice and training. So you want to show a family member in the privacy of your home safely how to load, unload a gun. You want to practice loading magazines. Those are amazing little tools to help you with that. Training aids, definitely. I've been using those in the classroom environment, teaching students and recommending students to buy those for quite a few years now. They're very easy to identify, and those are dummy rounds. I will put the link in the description where you can get them. They are few dummy rounds on the market. Those are the strongest one, the most reliable one, let's put it this way. So I'm going to put the link in the description below so you know where to get it. Um, nice, nice little things to have at home to practice safely. I hope this video have helped you. I hope this video helped you staying safe. If this video did help you, uh, put a thumbs up, leave a note in the descriptions. Always love to hear from you guys. And until next time, I see you soon.